Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay. So today we are going to learn now accountancy. So take your accountancy book and turn to page 129. Okay. This method is given. The next method, the next two methods. First one, capitalization super profit method. So till calculating the super profit, it is same. Okay, then we need to capitalize the super profit with the normal rate of return. Okay, super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. We will get the capitalization of super profit. That is called the goodwill. Okay, they will give the normal rate of return. Then super profit we will calculate into 100. This is what we are going to learn. The next illustration we will see. Okay. Illustration 10. From the following information, compute the value of goodwill by capitalizing super profit. Capital employed, normal rate of return, profits for 3 years. So first we have to calculate the average profit. Total profit divided by number of years. We get average profit. Then normal profit, capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed 4 lakh into 10 by 100. You will get 40,000. Then super profit, average profit minus normal profit. 62,000 minus 40,000, we will get 22,000. Now goodwill should be calculated by the formula super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Super profit 22,000 divided by 100 into divided by 10 normal rate of return, that is given in the problem, into 100. So 22,000 into 10, 2,10,000. Okay, now we will do this next exercise. Up to 9 we have completed. Okay, now we will do the 10th problem. First let me read the problem. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalizing super profits. Normal rate of return 10%. Profits for the last 4 years 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 45,000. Non-recurring income 3,000 is included in the above mentioned profit. Then average capital employed 3 lakh. Okay, now we will do the problem. First we have to calculate the average profit, isn't it? Average profit, first step. Total profit divided by number of years. Total profit 30,000. Here in this 30,000 we need to, non-recurring income 3,000 is there, we need to deduct, isn't it? So 27,000 plus 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 45,000 divided by 4. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 7, 12, balance 1, 3, 7, 5, 12 plus 4, 6 divided by 4. So 4 4s are 16. 2 we cannot divide, so 0, 25. So 4,500 is the average profit. Next, normal profit. normal profit we have to calculate, isn't it? Capital employed into rate of return by 100. Capital employed is 3 lakh. Rate 10% by 100. 20. So 30,000. Now super profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is 40,500. Normal profit 30,000. So 10,500. Isn't it? Now we need to calculate the goodwill. Write the formula. Okay, super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Super profit 10,500. Normal rate of return 10 into 100. So rupees 10500, one more zero. So 1,05,000. Okay, students, this is capitalization of super profit. Okay, till calculating super profit same only. Then goodwill is equal to super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Okay, now we will see the next method. Capitalization method. Here, capitalization method. Okay. Here we need to calculate the goodwill. From the difference, we need to subtract one thing. Okay. Actual capital employed will be subtracted from the total capitalized value of the business. Total capitalized value of the business minus total capital employed. Here, how we need to calculate the total capitalized value of the business. Here, we need to capitalize the average profit. There we have capitalized the super profit, isn't it? Here we need to capitalize the average profit. So this one, capitalized value of the business. Business is equal to average profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Here, there we capitalized the value of the super profit. Here, average profit must be capitalized. So, average profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. We will get the total capitalized value of the business minus capital employed. We need to calculate. Okay. Then capital employed not given, we have to calculate assets minus liabilities, isn't it? That we know. See the last illustration. From the following information, find out the value of goodwill by capitalization method. Average profit given, normal rate of return given, capital employed given. So, first we need to calculate the total capitalized value of the average profit. Average profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Average profit 60,000 divided by 10 into 100. Then goodwill, what is the formula? Total capitalized value of the average profit minus capital employed. Capital employed given. Total capitalized value of the average profit we have calculated. That is 6 lakhs minus capital employed 4,50,000. So 1,50,000 is the answer. So we will do the last exercise also. Capitalized value of capitalized method. Okay, from the following information, find out the value of goodwill by capitalization method. Average profit 20,000, normal rate of return 10%, tangible assets of the firm 2,20,000, liabilities of the firm 70,000. Here why this one is given? In order to calculate the capital employed. Capital employed not given, I told you we have to calculate by subtracting the liabilities from the assets. Okay, that we will get. Okay, so first we have to calculate the capitalized value of the average profit. Capitalized value of the business or capitalized value of the not average profit only easy, otherwise we will forget. That one super profit, here average profit. Capitalized value of the first number 11, isn't it? Average profit. Average profit divided by normal rate into 100. Average profit is 20,000 divided by normal rate of return 10% into 100. So 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh. Sorry. Now capital employed. Capital employed we need to calculate. Okay, tangible assets. From the assets we subtract liabilities, we will get the capital employed, isn't it? Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. So assets how much? 2,20,000. Liabilities 70,000. We will get 1,50,000 capital employed. Now goodwill formula. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of the average profit capitalized value of the average profit minus capital employed. Capitalized value of the average profit is 2 lakh minus capital employed 1,50,000. So 2 lakh minus 1,50,000 we will get 50,000 right rupees. That is the goodwill. Okay, here in these two methods, in the same problem, if we do the calculate the capital under capitalization method and under capitalization of super profit method, we will get the same answer. Okay, capitalization of super profit, capitalization of average profit. If you mind this one, you will not forget. That one, capitalization of super profit. Here capitalization method alone given. Capitalization of average profit. Then you will not forget the formula also. Capitalization of average profit method. If we do the same problem under these two methods, we will get the value of goodwill same amount. Okay, students. So we have completed this lesson. The next lesson I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, we will start the next lesson tomorrow. So I think today very less only, less portion. Since we have completed this lesson, I am stopping by today here. Okay, thank you, students.